Run it up. I wake up. Yeah.
See Nick? Oh, there he is. Is the gate going to be open if we go to Birmingham?
Yeah.
To come back in?
Yes.
Okay.
24/7.
Okay, cool.
People are camping. That gate is wide open.
Okay, perfect.
Okay, you wristband?
Yep. There it is.
Good.
All right, cool.
Fine. Have fun in Birmingham.
Thank you. There's a gay parade going on. You want to come? Kill it. Bye, Pat. Enjoy your coffee and your crickets or whatever the hell you're gonna be doing. All right, we're good. Gate's open 24/7. All right, we're ready if you're ready.
So if we take you down there and ride for a while, are you comfortable coming back as a group?
This ain't my. I ran across country on a fucking Grom.
Oh,
Come on, man. Come on. I want to ride. Let's go. Now I'm ready, Lewis. I got to tie my shoe. What?
When we leaving?
Right now?
Right now.
Yeah.
Meet right here.
Let's go.
Let me go get my bike.
Let's go.
God damn.
Hello. I see city, so I think it's Birmingham. This is fucking beautiful. Street rides. I'm excited now. The rain finally stopped. It's cool out. Shout out to everybody that came to the Barber Small Bore. For the you know, he wasn't happy about that. For all the skeptics out there, I was one of them, but I still decided to come. Hopefully you guys will come out next year. I definitely think this was a great weekend so far, so throw a night ride in the mix. Oh yeah. It's great, said the chicken wings. Let's go. There's a cop right there. Oh, he didn't turn his lights on. I guess he saw it. We didn't even get off the damn exit. He already got the flashes. He's on his phone. All right, we'll go 2 more blocks and then we'll do it.
Time to run it up. I wake up.
What up, Arby's? That was cool. I like Birmingham. Hey, you guys got Publix up here too?
Yeah.
Nice. Look at you guys. Oh, hey. What the fuck's happening here?
I wake up, flex on down that check. No drip this. Time to run it up. No sleep, no rest. Might crash, might wreck. But first I stretch. Time to run it up. I wake up, flex on down that check. No drip this. Time to run it up. No sleep, no rest. Might crash, might wreck.
Give me one of those nights. Lose a smiling ear to ear.
But first I stretch. Time to run it up. 9 out of 10, rub through my hands. I'm by my lonely.
Lewis is happy. All right, here we go. Get ready, YouTube. Birmingham hood ride, street ride begins now.
Turn to a savage, now my baby wants to hold me. I love my fans, don't need no friends, I got my homies. Thought I could trust you, I find out you tried to zone me. I'm number 1 up on that court, I'm Nick McGrady. The first one in, the last one out, can't call me lazy. Put in my hours, send the invoice and they pay me. I was
talking to one of the guys, he said this is the most Groms they've had in Birmingham. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11. Got the cops right there parked. No waves. Okay. Game on then.
Strings like MJ and Tom Brady. I wake up, flex, thumb down that check. No drip this. Time to run it up. No sleep, no rest. Might crash, might wreck. But first.
Oh shit, here we go. Oh man, I love it. It's a nice little walk. Hey, if you guys are in Birmingham, buy a Grom, they need more people here. You guys can do bonker stuff like this too. That'd be so funny if that was a cop right there.
I wake up, flex, thumb down that check. No drip this. Time to run it up. No sleep, no rest. Might crash, might wreck. But first I stretch. Time to run it up.
Gay parade? Yeah, boy. All right, pick it up with some screams. Very flamboyant screams coming at you. 3, 2, 1. Hello. Oh, are they waving at each other? Oh, sorry, are we in between this? I don't want to be in the middle of this. Look at this shit. Damn, they fucked this town up though. Shit everywhere. I'm gonna slide out on a fucking cup or a condom. You know, for Birmingham squad it's so small, they can all ride really well. And then there's Lewis doing things with his hands. Magic City Stunts, go follow him on Instagram if you haven't already.
Came through dripping Aquafina, I'm sipping 15. Kept a weapon on 15,
Come on, Lewis,
kept
get
a
out there.
weapon on me.
Represent for Tampa.
Blow make business, I'm on my business, stack chicken.
Hey, you wait your turn.
Like what it's gonna be.
I'm with you, Lewis. Let's go. Let's do these double peggers. Oh man, you put your foot back there. Oh. Watch out, Hyundai. That Hyundai almost got it.
I got what you need, baby. Skirt the Chevy, make a scene, baby.
Shit is happening so fast. I apologize for not talking. There's so much going on. Sometimes I don't need to talk, right? Look at this.
Cool in the cut, hey, you want us run when I tell a big piece.
He's all bandaged up doing one-handers.
Love is love. Love is.
He blew me a kiss. That was sweet. Uh-oh, he's going for the podium. Oh God, no, careful. There's a bump here. He's still bandaged up, got holes in his knees. Happened like 3 weeks ago. Gnarly crash on his FZ. I think it was his FZ. He was doing a podium, came down, hit the key, shut the bike off, mousetrap, went over. Right now we're behind the airport. It's fucking dark as shit. Oh fuck, oh fuck, oh no good, no, not good. That's the guy that has a fucked up wrist. Yeah, but he's all fucked up, his wrist.
Get that, did you?
Yeah, I did.
Oh, you did?
Yeah.
Good.
Jesus. Take a breath. You good? All right. Look. He just went down 3 weeks ago on his FZ. Holy shit. I wasn't even looking at him. I don't know what the fuck I was looking at. The fucking stars or the clouds or airplanes or something. Oh fuck. Oh fuck. Oh no. Right now he's figuring out what hurts on his body the most. Them loopies are dangerous. By the way, if you want to pick up your loopy stickers, link down below. He's in so much pain right now. That sucks. I appreciate you coming out for the ride though. Very nice of you. What are these people doing? Make out point? Just got no shoes on. All these cars are just parked out here. What the fuck are they doing? Well, maybe we're in Cracktown still. Huh? Yeah? These are prostitutes. Double fist and dicks. Oh shit. This is pretty. Downtown Birmingham.
Does that look bad?
Does it feel bad?
I don't know, man. Like, I don't know if it,
Did you fuck that up last time?
I can move it. No.
I don't know. Aaron,
Like this.
don't you have like medical history? Don't you know how to like look at bones and stuff?
Oh, no.
No?
No.
Who had the medical kit on the Dragon last year? Alright guys, we're gonna end this video here, but shout out to the Birmingham guys for showing us the crackhead area and everything else. So if you enjoyed this video, make sure you give it a like. We're gonna ride back to the barber and do things tomorrow, but we're gonna end it here. Alright, take one good look at it. We're out of here, Birmingham. Like, subscribe, all that good stuff. See you next one.